Mm. Okay. The shoe's not colored. Okay, come. So, question 5 was only the part B. What's your answer for part B? What do you all get? That was the, oh, I haven't given the homework card, right? Yeah. Come and see. You all got do or not? 5, 6, 7. Already. You really behind it. I think so. Oh. Yeah, it's because it's AI. 5, 6, 7. Good. It's applications of Trigo. Okay. Shane, I give you already.
Yeah.
Application of Trigo, right?
Oh, wait.
I was like, how come I'm not? I don't think I did in class yet. Yeah, check. Okay, today if we change this one, right, I think we can do WA already. Yeah, because it's coming soon. What? Okay, fine. Later I give you your cards. Come, whoever who attempted part B, I think all of you did. Mirabel got do also, right? Yeah. What's your answer for part B, Mirabel? Angle PQB. 30 degrees. Okay, can y'all check whether you got 30 degrees? If not, I can go through. Yeah. Have Matthew? 30? Okay, good. Okay. Okay, question 6. What's your answer? Matthew. Hello. Oh, what happened to that? Hmm?
Yeah.
3 answers. Yeah, correct. 3 answers. So, maybe first you give me what is DB. 59.7. 777. So because if you want in 3SF, you have to put 59.8, not 78. Okay, that one will be 4SF already. Okay, come Xavier. What is your BC?
My what?
BC.
41.33.
Okay, good. Wait. The other bullet is DC, right? D. Hold on. 41 point. Okay, no, not BC. AD. What's your AD?
90.41.
90.41. Okay lah. 5SF. Then 3SF will be 90.43SF. Okay, then what about let me see. What else? 59 BC. BC? What is the length of BC? Wait. 43. Of course, they already give you DC. Okay, so technically you only need to find these two, correct? Then after that, you want the total. Do I use 5SF or 3SF? When I want to find the total. Total of these 3 lengths. 5SF, okay, because this is still your intermediate step. Okay, then your final answer should be 193 in 3SF. Okay, can y'all check? Y'all get 193? Okay, I see a click. Mirabel, you got 193? Okay.
I got 193.2.
193.2. That means it's correct, but then you must leave it in 3SF. Yeah. Yeah, Matthew also, I mark your paper. I realize sometimes you leave it in 4SF as a final answer. Okay. Final answer is 3SF. Unless the question state otherwise. Why is it 3SF? Or you only don't put 3SF if like the answer is exact. Like you get you don't get like a ring, like a whole string of decimals. Okay. So I move on. Question 7, what's your answer? What is the height of the boy? Anybody? Sean, you got do your homework? Got, what's your answer? Question 7. Oh, I see. Then 5 and 6, you got an answer or not? Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Nah. Okay, so question 7, Shinmei, what's the height of the boy? Oh, okay. Who else have I not caught? Caitlin, what's the height of the boy? 0. Yes. Do y'all get this? Have or not? Correct? No, okay. So maybe come Caitlin, what do you do first? Find AB. How do you do that? Yeah, correct. Because you see, AB is part of a right angled triangle. So using your trigo, right? This one will be your O, this is H, then this is your A. Then because you only know you only know you want to find O, but you only know A. So O and A will be tangent, correct? Right, Shimi? So tangent 30 degrees equals to O over A. So AB over who? Yeah, for Sean also. I realized your this part, sometimes you put the value. You remember next to tangent or sine or cosine is always the degree. Can? Then over here will then be the actual length. Can Yeah, very close though. Mark your paper. Yeah, so after that, do your cross multiplication. You will get 2 tangent 30 degrees, which is 1.1547 in 5SF. Okay, so this is only AB. I still need to find the height of the boy, which is BC. So means I have to take 2.1 minus AB to get this part. Can? So BC equals to ED, which is just the height of the boy lah. 2.1 minus 1.1547 equals to 0.945. Can? Now that's how you get it. Chinmay, which part you didn't manage to get? Is it the whole thing? Did you manage to get AB? But did you know that you were supposed to find AB? Or no? Okay. Yeah, so AB, because we know that the right angled triangle is like over here. Can? We don't use this straight away because we don't have enough. Like this is not a right angle triangle already. Can? Okay, so yeah, let's move on to question 8, also homework, is it? Yeah. You'll find a CP, height of the total, height of the 3 domino pieces. You'll find? I think individually we did it together, right, as a class. Because we found EQ, which is this. Then we also found what else? Height of the 3 pieces. Yeah, we need to find the length of all this. So we got this ready. Then CD, did we find CD? Did we find CD? 117.98. Oh, not yet. Okay, then do you manage to find CD? Y'all go home and try? Because height will be this plus this one. Correct or not? AB we already have. So we are left with CD. Okay, so how to find CD? Okay, then you go try. Oh, I think because we did half of it already. Okay, so to find CD, we have a right angled triangle here, correct? So we can first find CP, then later on add my 90 degrees, 90 cm, correct or not? We can't find CD straight away because this is not a right angled triangle. This is a trapezium, correct? So the only way we can do is split this into a right angled triangle, then we later add the length. Can? Okay, so find CP first. What is CP? So first we have CP is my angle is over here. So this will be my O, then this one will be my A. So again, it's tangent. Tangent 65 degrees equals to 60 over CP. Okay, so CP will be 60 divided by tangent, tangent 65. Okay, then which is equals to Tangent 65 equals to 27.978. Okay, so now we can find CD already. Just add my 90. Okay, then you should get 117.98. Okay, then now you can find the total height, which is just add my A, B, C, D, and E, F. Okay? So total is 90 plus 117.98 plus 145.96. Okay, which will give you 354 in 3SF. Can? Now you realize this topic, right, they very creative with the question, but the concept is the same. Yeah, just look out for your right angle triangle, then apply your trigonometry. You found already? Oh, you did already. No, you're the only one who did this part. Yeah. Okay, can I continue? Okay, not yet. Okay. Question 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, y'all can try question 9 first, ah. Yeah. Look out for your right angled triangle first. Can depart from either A or B. So that means they're going down like that. Okay, so either way they will end up at D. Then it is known that the height is 150. Then after that, from B to D, it is 380. Find the distance between the two stations. Also means I need to find this ultimately. Okay, so can I find what can I find first? The length of CD, correct? I know some of you will be like, oh, can I use Pythagoras? The answer is yes lah. Okay, you're supposed to use Pythagoras here because this is a right angled triangle and you already have two sides. Okay, so find CD first, which is 380 square equals to 150 square plus CD square. Can, so bring CD over, you will get 380 square minus 150 square. Okay, so square the whole thing. Then you should get 349.14. Okay, because right, now that we know what is CD, we are able to find the length of AC. We can now use the big triangle already. Just now we only have enough information to use the smaller triangle. Okay, so I have this. What else do I have? I can also find my angle, right? ADC, you see this part? Okay, because angle in triangle is how 180. This is 90, this is 62.6. So that means my angle ADC will be 180 minus 90 minus 62.6. Okay. And then can you try to find AC yourself? Now that you know the angle for this? Yeah, wait for your try. Okay, this angle is the entire angle here, not just BDC. Okay, find the length of AC. This. Healing can. You see, this angle is over here. I want to find this part. I already know this. Can find? I have one angle, I have one side already. So enough information, huh? Go and find. What? Tangent, is it, do I use tangent, do I use sine, or do I use cosine? Matthew, you found already? What's your answer for AC? 0.98, right? Hmm? 27. What do you mean by 3? Oh, then which one do you use? Oh, okay. Yeah, Matthew brought up a good point. You see the angle here, right? You're able to use this angle instead also. Because then it will be O and A. Okay, he will use tangent, which is also okay. You can also use this. Yeah, so both angle will give you the same answer. Can y'all check whether y'all got this value? AC is 180.98. You got it? Yeah. Okay, then you found AB already? 30 point? You should get 31 though. Is it because never use 5SF? Your intermediate stats must use 5SF. So you see, right now my AC is 180.98. That means my AB must be what? 150 minus, sorry, the opposite. 180.98 minus away 150. Yeah, then you should be getting 31 in 3SF. You got that? Yeah, got it. 31.
How do you get 180? I got 289.
180, AC, is it?
Yeah.
Because if I use this one, right, then I got O and I have what? A. So it's tangent. Tangent 27.4 will be equals to AC over 349.14. Is this what you have?
I put tangent at the bottom of the fraction.
Oh, okay,
I-
wait. Oh, I
I'm
think
copying it from the top question.
then is no, don't copy. This one is always different. You have to look at the cross multiplication. See? Right or not? AC, I will have straight away this time. So I need to take this times this. Because it's this way. Correct? Sean? Correct or not? Okay, so different from the previous question. Equals to
Okay.
349.14 times tangent 27.4. Yeah. Do you get this or not? Which part do you get? Is it your fraction wrong? I can understand last week. Last week he can do Yeah, take note again. This one is different for must look at the cross multiplication. Can Okay, so the final answer is 31. Because after that, you will take this minus away, 150. Can? Kelly, you got it? Shinmi? Mirabel? Okay, good. Okay, question 10. You can go on, question 10. Now, we faster clear, then we can faster start WA already.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Wait, today?
yeah, today.
I don't remember.
I want to start today.
I never study, so
It's okay. That's why we are revising.
I'm also failing.
No, don't fail.
Wait, is it a test or what?
I will see. Yeah, probably a time practice.
So,
See how. Done ready? Done now. Okay, question 10. You can try this one first. For algebra now.
oh no.
It's doable. See four students and then find the distance between the students standing at B and D. So I'm looking for this. Then you already know this is 90. Yeah, what else do we know? This is 180. This is also 180. Can I find what is X? Can I find what is Y? Can what? Oh, with my equation. You all can continue. You need to find X and Y by forming an equation. Xavier, what's my equation?
X plus 4 plus X minus Y minus 18 I guess.
Huh? Oh, no, no, no. I'm finding for x only, ma. First. So you don't want to introduce y. Correct. Yeah, if not, it'll be very
180 minus
complicated.
x plus 4 minus 90, I guess.
Yeah, correct. But you can also do this, see, x plus 4 plus 90 will technically give you 180. Correct.
Yeah.
So that means 2x plus 4 is equals to 90. So 90 minus 4, you will get 86. Then x will be divided by 2. Okay, the reason why I didn't find straight away this plus this equals 180 is because later on I will end up with x and y unknown. Correct or not? Hey, I cannot find anything. I start already. So since the question give me x separately, then I find separately, no? Yeah, if you find together, then you cannot continue already. You'll get two unknowns. Okay, can you all do the same for y? Go and find your y. Do the same thing. So this is 43 now. You need to find x and y to use trigo, that's why. Because otherwise we don't know the angle. Do you find it?
Need to plus 4, not minus 4.
Plus 4, not minus 4. This one? Or this one?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Or because when I move over, then it becomes negative. Yeah, correct. You see, this 4 is a degree, right? I want to find what is 2x. I need to shift all the non-algebra to the right side. 4 is a number, which is a non-algebra, so I will move it to the right side. When it passes the door, okay, the equal sign, the sign will flip. Can? So that's why it becomes from plus 4 to become minus 4. Yeah. Then I'm left with algebra at the left, number at the right. Okay already. Then I find what is 1x. Okay, I'll do the same for y.
54 degree.
54 degree. Yes. Did everyone get that?
Alright, good night.
Not done yet. Okay, so after I find x and y, I need to find BA and AD. Can you go and do that? Because we cannot find this straight away at one shot. We only have two right angle triangle. You cannot use this as a right angle triangle. They never say it's right angle. Go and find AB and AD. Yeah, this one is using y. This one is using x. Okay, go and find, go and find. Come, go and find. Okay, after you find those two, then you add together, it will give you the BD. Nearby, you found AB already? Not yet, okay. Go and find. Okay, Sean, you tell me your AB. Then AD, I want Matthew. Sean AB, Matthew AD.
Is
67.1. That one is for which one?
I think the X part, yeah,
AD
the X
or
part.
AD?
AD.
67. AD, no leh.
The
You should get 77.211. You try again. Is it your opposite and adjacent used wrongly?
8.
AB is adjacent, right?
AB. So this one, you are using this angle, right? Because this I don't know yet. As in, I already know what is this. So this one will be what? Opposite. Okay, then this one will be which one?
So,
Yeah.
Do you have this for the tangent 43 AD 72?
O/A. Tua. Not tau. O/A. This one really testing your Phoenix. Right? You remember when you were younger? You go for Phoenix class. Eh, not Phoenix, phonics. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. OA not AO. You get it?
What am I supposed to do with this?
Okay, so cross multiply, right? You
Yeah.
want to get AD only. You don't want tangent. You divide, no? Can see or not? Just think of like tangent as a number. Think about it. So it's like 3 unit equals 25. Amount 1 unit. Divide by the number lah. Treat your AD as your unit. Try. Sean, you got it already? Oh, you're borrowing calculator. I have a calculator. Nah. Eileen done. What's your AB? AB. Yeah. Yes, very good. Got this or not?
I don't know. Let's just start.
Wait, I see. Okay, so what Xavier got over here, right, is for Y, right, or X?
I think for
Oh, wait, for X. Okay, so Xavier very close. Wait, let me see. You use, okay, he figured out that this one is your O, then this one is your A, correct?
Yeah.
So it will be tangent 43, O over A. So is 72 over AD. Is this what you have? Sean, you got this?
you ask me to be
Oh, right. Right. Okay, what's your working for AB?
tangent 54 over 1 equals 72 over B.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then you all need to cross multiply. Then what's your next line?
72 over tangent 54.
Correct, okay? Yeah, divide and see. Like that. Okay, you think about it. Before that, right, if you can't see straight away, you can write out. Just now you got this. AB tangent 54 equals to 72. Correct or not?
Yeah.
But you see, this tangent, right, is just a what? You press your calculator, it is just a number. Really. Tangent 54 is just a number. Correct.
Yeah.
So imagine 5AB is 72. How to find 1AB? You will take this part, divide by the number. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So that's why I divide. Then I will get this. Can? If you are able to see straight away from here to here, then that will be good lah. If not, you are free to also write out the step before that. Can? Yeah, took me some time to go straight away also. Okay? So AD will be same thing, 72 divided by tangent 43. And that's how you get 77.211. Matthew, you got this? Good. Okay, so now add together, then you should get 130 in 3SF. Okay, add these two together. Okay, then I'll move on already.
Can you find x evidence?
X, 180
Yeah.
plus 180 minus 90.
Yeah.
It's looking at which triangle? The whole thing, is it? Or
We're
what?
just looking at ABC.
ADC,
Yeah.
minus 90 plus 4.
Yes, because here's plus 4 then divided by 2.
Cannot. Because this entire thing is 180. Yeah.
Oh.
So if you divide by 2, right, then it will be smaller than that already.
Okay, what is divide the n product of this by 2?
Why divide by 2 leh?
What is 2x?
Oh, but then they never say this is isosceles. As in, they never say that. Wait, 2x.
Yeah, because there's x here and there's also x here. So the,
So you got 47, is it?
Yeah.
Is it the same? No, cannot. See? Different already. Oh, so cannot.
oh, okay.
Yeah, you're probably assuming that this one is isosceles, but it's not. Yeah. So safest way is to equate the three angles to 180. Because that one applies for all triangles. And isosceles is only for if the sides are equal. Can? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, good question. Okay, come. Don't assume. Okay, come question 11. How to do question 11? Let me see. Maybe I can skip this. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this. This one is, I'll send you an answer sheet. This is like your, asking for your trigo fraction only. Okay, question 12. Let me see. Length of AB. I think this one can do. Okay, y'all try. They give you the fraction already. So sine means what? O over H. Okay, then you can write the ratio. BAC. So it's this part. And that means over here is 3 units. And then H will be 4 units. Okay, take note. I want you to take note. This fraction here, right? If you all see this in the exam, please do not assume that this is the actual length. Okay, this one is the ratio. It can also be actual length. You know why or not? Because you see, 3 over 4, fractions can always simplify. Correct. Because 12 over 16 is also the same as 3 over 4. So let's say my actual length is 12 over 16. But then the question give me 3 over 4. So it's not the same thing. Can? Don't assume this is the actual length. Unless the question say, oh, AB is 3 cm. Then you can say that it's actual length. Can? Okay, so I'm going to write here a note. This is your ratio. It is not the actual length. Okay, so find the length of AB. Yeah. What will I do? I have a right angle triangle here. I also have the length of two sides. Can I find this AC? Can I find AC or not? Because I need to find out what 4 unit represents what in the actual length. So how? Using this triangle. Can you all see something? Right angle triangle, What can you all see? As in, how to find AC? Use what? Pythagoras. Okay. So trigo also can, but I don't have the angle. Okay, so use Pythagoras. 85 square equals to 13 square plus AC square. So take note, your Pythagoras and your trigo come very closely to your right angled triangle. Can? Okay, so you will get 84 cm. So you already know that 4 units is 84 cm. No? Find 1 unit. Then find 3 unit because I want to know BC also. Okay, so now I got this one is 63. This one is 84. Okay, so take note, learning point of this question is fraction given by a question might not mean actual length. Okay? Because you see 4 and 84, very, very different things. Can? Yeah, so after you found these two already, you can find AB. Correct or not? Use your Pythagoras. Okay? So I'm gonna skip this also. You know how to do already. Okay, can I move on? Okay, I want you all to also like, I won't say it's homework lah, but go home and attempt. Then I'll give you your answer sheet. Can? Because I plan to give you all a WA as homework. So that we can go through. Okay? Okay, question 13. Let me see. AE equals to AB. Find ACE. So I'm looking for this angle. Wow, so many right angle triangle. So how? What can I do first? You look at the question first. Okay, so I got one right angle triangle. I also have another one, and here. Okay, 3 triangles. Any idea how I can eventually get to this one? Okay, you see, there's also another right angle triangle here. Can see or not? So how? It's not very big here already. I already know this. I also know this. That means I need to find which one? This one, right? Correct, this angle. But first, I will need to find what is this angle. And then later on, I need to find this angle. And then I add together. Correct? Then, after that, I take 180 minus this. I will get what I want. Can see or not? Go and find this angle first. Then find this. DAB. Or you can find this one first, then this one. Because see how much information you have. This is also 35. Because it's equal length. And then this one will be 12 also. Yeah, actually enough hint already. Can you all write the angle like that? Then I'm gonna skip. It's enough hint already, you see? I just need to find, okay, I already know that the length is 35 and 12, which is enough for me to find this angle using my trigo. Then, looking at this triangle, same thing. I also can find this angle. Later on, I add these together, and then 180 minus this, minus 90, I will get. Right? So I'm gonna skip. It's not okay. Too repetitive already. Yeah, skip. Okay, question 14. This one is actual length or ratio? Ratio, this one not actual length. So technically, look at sign. This is your O, this is your H. Okay, come Sean, what is my O representing for BCD? Which side is O?
O, where's O?
Opposite.
Oh,
Yeah, which side is opposite?
medium.
Yeah, good. Okay, BD. So BD is 3 unit. And then what about 4 unit? Which side?
CD.
Okay, so this is 4 unit. Okay, so next you need to find the length of DE. But then 14 divided by 4, you will get decimal lah, but it's still doable. Okay, so 4 unit equals to 14. You will get 3.5. Okay, so 3 unit will be 3.5 times 3, 10.5. Okay, so this is 10.5. Then this is 14. Okay, then enough information to find my BCD. Correct or not? I got 2 sides already. I can use my trigo. Okay, just to recap, how to use trigo to find angle BCD? How? This is my O, this is my H. I'm using sine, correct? So sine angle BCD will be equals to 10.5 over 14. Can you remember this or not? Very long never see this already, right? How to find BCD? Come, Sean, how to find BCD? How to find? Use inverse, ah. $48.590. And okay, but that does not give me what I want lah. I want DE. So actually, I don't even need to find this. I need to find the length of DE using this triangle. This is also right angle. So you can use Pythagoras, or you can use no, Trigo cannot. Yeah, you try. So find Pythagoras, then you will get that this entire thing here is 16 cm. Okay, then after that you just take 16 minus 10.5. Can? Yeah, this one I also skip because it's the same thing already. Can? Chinmay, okay?
Do we need to find angle BCD?
BCD, no need. Yeah, you don't need to find BCD. Yeah. Okay, I move on. Can or not? Any question? Kenny, you got any questions? Okay, note that I never complete the question. This one is incomplete. Okay, but I give you all the hints so that you all can know how to proceed. Yeah, 13 also not complete.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah, last question. Wait, are you okay with me skipping? Or you want me to go through? No, don't want, right? No? Okay. Mirabel? You okay with me skipping? Everybody okay,
Go through to skip time.
What skip time? I want to start revision. What skip time? Well, it's some of the revision next week, eh. Okay, so question 15. It is given that AD is 50. Then find the perimeter of the triangle ABD. So I want perimeter. I want to find this plus this plus this. So how Come, your turn to tell me since we skipped so many questions already. What should be the first step? Last question already, try. Then you don't have to do trigo for some, still have to do.
Yeah, lah.
Yeah. What's the first step? I need to eventually find the length of this and the length of this. Which means I need to find this and this. Correct? So how? What do you want to find first? We got angle, angle, angle. We got length. So how? Angle and a side. Enough for me to find another side? Can, right? So how? No, Do you say no?
And then you just combine 46 and 30, then after that you just find the two sides using the 50 lah.
But this is not right angle, eh?
Uh,
Yeah.
but it's still one triangle.
It's triangle, but I can only use trigo if it's right angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how? So this one is the angle, and then this one will be my H. Then this is O. So sine. Can see? Sine 30 equals to CD over 50. Find CD. 25. Okay, do the same for BC. So now I'm given wait, let me see. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. To find this, right, I don't have enough information, correct or not? I only got angle. That's it. So how to find? I need another side. Can I find this? Can, right? Use what? Shime? Use what? Good. Okay, use Pythagoras because I already found this and this. So use Pythagoras. 50 square equals to 25 square plus AC square. Okay, so AC will be 43.31301.
Yeah, try the math test. I just realized it came out.
Which one?
Mine is G3, so this one.
Okay, wait. Let me take a photo of this.
So basically it's just after Pythagoras, so basically screwed.
Huh? Is until. Wait, is this one right? The second one, right?
Yeah, this one.
Wait, let me see.
No,
I think.
yeah, G3.
Quadratic equation. Proportion. Okay, proportion means inverse and direct. Yeah, we do before. Congruency, similarity, Pythagoras. Yeah, that's why I need to revise this one. Okay. That means trigo not tested.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Pythagoras tested. For you. And you need to please go back and look at your inverse direct
At least I'm
also.
not
Very
gonna
long
fail
never
this.
touch.
At least I'm not gonna fail this though.
That's good. Don't fail You
Don't need to do sugar, nobody will fail.
I trigo you must do end of year though. Yeah,
It's
whatever
okay,
you don't
by
cover
end of
now,
year,
you
I
will
did
cover
this.
end of year.
By end of year, 1 month experience, I'll be fine.
Yeah, please go and revise your past topic. Okay, go and look through your old worksheets also. Okay, so yeah, I found AC already. Then what else? Can I find BC now? Can, right? Can or not? One side and one angle, enough already. So this is again your O and A. So it's tangent. Okay, do you all get this? Those who tried. Okay, Zayvon, come. I let you try this one. This one is
I do.
how to write this.
Like what?
This one, the next line.
Uh,
Looking at this. Cross multiply. So should be what?
tangent. Tangent. Then. Just write it.
Yeah, by now you all need to know quickly how to write. What is going on? Why you kill him? Later he bruise how?
Hospital fee 你赔了，对不对？ Free
You
money.
got correct. Okay, correct.
Free money who know?
Okay, 43.301. Yeah, good. Okay, you all should be getting this. By now, you all need to know the difference between this and the other type, the dividing one. Okay, so I got BC 44.839. Yeah, guys, intermediate step, please leave with 5 steps. Don't lose your mark over accuracy. Very 心痛 Yeah, okay. AC, wait, BC is this, and then CD is 25. So to find BD, I will add them together. $69.839. Okay, so I'm left with AB. Did I find AB yet? I didn't. AB, I want to know how to find. Okay, come Mirabel, how to find AB? I already know this, I also know this. Use what? Oh, then square root, right? Yeah, good. Okay, use Pythagoras. So AB square equals to 44.839 square plus 43.301 square. Do you still think this topic is hard? Or no, right? That's good. Because last week I asked you all, right? You all say it's hard. Then I'm very worried. That's why I'm spending more time on this. I think the hard part about this topic is really to know what to find first. So some hinters will be, you check is this a right angle triangle? Do I know the side? Do I know the angle? One side, one angle enough to find another side. Then what else? Two side enough to find angle. Okay, just remember these little pointers, then it should come naturally. Yeah. Or if worst case, exam start, just find as many information as you can of the question. Then should be able to proceed already. Okay, so later on you add everything together because I want parameter. So take 62.334 plus 43.301 plus, okay, wait, this one is BD, plus 69.839. So you will get 182 in 3SF. Can? Now the rest of the question that I didn't complete, you can go and attempt at home. I will be sending the answer sheet. Yay, then I can start WA. Now, Sean, I return you this one also. Okay. It's a 15 minutes paper. So I'm gonna give you a break until 12:03. But you all need to come back on time because otherwise I got no time to. Yeah. Okay, set 1 do in class, set 2 homework. Can? What she made you okay or not? You look so shocked. Okay. Then next week I will go through set 1. Good.
All the algebra.
Algebra.
The first question.
First question. Of which one? Set 3 is it? Set 3?
Yeah, set.
Set 3, okay.
Very.
Homework sheet. Okay, I will come to you later because set 3 is like the last one that I'll cover. Can if we got time. Set 1, set 2, I will cover first. Can? Set 1. Set A. 50 minutes. Yeah. You all can go for a break. You can help me pass down to them. I pass your set 1 first. Wait, Caitlin and Shinmei, you're talking about this question, is it?
Yeah.
Is it tested for your test? It's not. Any other question you want to ask me from set 3? Which one?
You send the answer sheet.
Oh, can. I can send you. Yeah. Oh, you should playing game. I thought what happened. Okay, wait, let me see. Quadratic functions not tested, right? Like this one. And then Pythagoras tested. This one can do? Question 2? Oh, do you get like 3? And minus 3 over 2?
Question 2.
Yeah. 2A. Weird answer. Do you get this equation? 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 equals to 0. No. Because they give you area ma. So area means I need to find the base times perpendicular height. So that means half times 4x minus 6 times 2x equals to 18. Do you get this equation? Huh?
So x times 4x minus 6.
X but this one is 2x leh.
Half times divided by.
Oh, okay, can also. Oh, okay. Because this, wait, let me think. So you get x, 4x minus 6 equals to 18, correct? Equals to 18 now. Okay, let me go and check. Yeah, check for a while. Oh, come out already. Okay. Oh, wait, I pressed it away. What is chapter 6.4, all that? Did they give you the name? Chapter? Then do you know which topic is tested? Like from the chapters? Oh, because different school got different chapters, like. That's why. Are you able to find the topics tested? Yeah, I skip. I mean, I go through like half each question, that is question. What's like your part where you try to so now it's something on the three, that is very say it again. Wait, which date is it? 13 August. Oh, still got time. Okay. Then which topic? Algebra. Okay, algebraic fractions. And then okay, Pythagoras. Pythagoras. Then what about congruency and similarity? Okay. Okay. Proportions. 7 to 12 is what? Pythagoras. Okay, then is Trigo tested? Oh, tested ah? Chapter 10 also tested. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, okay. How is what? Probability. Okay. Anything else? I think you know why or not? Because right, your school is setting the WA a bit late. So by then, right, we'll also be covering those topics already. Probability. Yeah, this one is the next chapter. Yeah. Okay. The school is what? Huh? Why? Huh? As in easy, is it or what? Hey guys, I'm gonna go through your set 1 with you. Then set 2 is homework. Can? Yeah. Just to recap. Set 2, I give you set 2 first.
What the subject was gonna say? I'm telling you, this is so cool.
Like, let me pass down set 2.
Okay, I go it. Oh, gee, second.
Okay, Kyle, you can put your phone on me already. Okay, so make sure that you are looking at set 1, not set 2. Okay, change of plans. I will be going through set 1, we do together, but I want you to attempt yourself also. Okay, then set 2, then you treat it as like a real time practice. Can? Yeah. Yeah. By the converse of Pythagoras. That's the what?
Oh, like like comprehension type of question.
Comprehension type of
Like
question.
the
For oh, okay. You can see in your worksheet, there's a lot. The Pythagoras worksheet. That type is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. Can.
like a whole.
Is it because your know it's coming out? Oh, 5 of it. I see. Then oh, is it similar to what we did in the worksheet?
That one you learn in later.
Pythagoras? I work here already, Pythagoras. Oh.
How about for like the direct and indirect proportion?
Oh, were you in mathematics yet back then?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one got a lot of the. You mean the comprehension type of question, is it? You can see in your worksheet. There's a lot. Yeah.
I don't know how to do the like shortest distance, like the Pythagoras thing.
Oh, okay. That one was also in your worksheet. That one actually have to introduce let the shortest distance be D. Then you use the area of triangle to help you find. So half times D times the base. Equate it to area of triangle. Example, okay, wait, I think I need to go back to
Or should there be two formulas, right?
general formula, yes. Yeah, but then how the questions. No, but if your school decide to be difficult, you need to know how to do the increase by increase too. Remember that those type of question?
That's complete.
Correct. And also the value of A is doubled, tripled, those kind.
Oh, that one.
That one will be the hardest really. Okay, so make sure that if it comes out, then you all know how to do. Cause got go through before. Okay, wait, let me see. This type. Ne? Question 6. Shortest length, correct or not? This type is it? Yeah, so they want from Y to WZ. So usually I will draw a perpendicular distance. Can see or not? This one is not there before. But I know that the perpendicular distance from the base will always be the shortest. Can. So if it comes up for your exam, go and draw this line and then write a 90 degrees. Let the shortest distance be D. Define that first. Then use the area of the triangle given in the question. So Did they give? Let me see. Okay, some question will ask you to find instead.
What that, like, that's the short.
No. No. Your mark comes when you find area of triangle. Okay? This one is just for the examiner to understand where what the T represents. Okay? So find some question will give you area of triangle, some question will need to find yourself. So this question need to find using another base law. You see this triangle, right? The base I have is 46. Perpendicular height is WX. Correct? So these two values I already know. I can find the area of the triangle. Can then this area of triangle stays the same no matter which base I use, what, correct or not? So I use another base to equate to the area of triangle. So I'll take half times 75. This time 75 become my base times perpendicular height, which is my D. Okay, equals to the area that I found, or you can equate it with, this one example is 75 is my base. If I decide to use 46 as my base, okay, then what will be my height? WX, correct or not? So half times 75 times D will be, using this as the base, equals to half times 46 times WX, using this as your base. But this area and this area, same or not? Same, right? Because it's the same triangle. So equate this, find your equation, like that. Shortest distance is 18. Can ah? Yeah, so either this one considered the harder type. The easier type will be, they tell you, oh, area of this triangle is 25. Find the shortest distance. Then you just need to take half times this times your perpendicular D, then equals to the area given. Can? Yeah, can ah? No question? I go and look through your past paper. Got go through before.
Do math scale.
Map skill ah. Map skill I need to help you after class Yeah, because map skill is a previous topic.
Okay.
Okay? So for now, you look at step 1 first. Okay, your WA step 1. All of you. Okay, look at question 1. This is testing on your proportion, which is coming out for most of your WA. Okay,
Yeah, then there's a time practice. I already failed the first session.
no. Okay, first, can you remember the general formula for direct proportion or not? Can you remember? No.
No, you do answer.
I will be going through set 2 will go ourselves because this one you all haven't recapped. So you all need a bit of guidance, right? Yeah. Okay, so come look at this question. So I have okay, so I have X, I have H. What would be my general formula for direct proportion? Who revised already? Come Shin Mei, what's your equation for direct proportion?
X equals to K.
Very good, but you read the question.
It's square root.
Square root H. Okay, so where K is a constant. Okay, so go and revise. For direct, it's always Y equals to KX. But Y and X will depend on your question. What's inverse? Xavier, what's inverse proportion?
The opposite of direct proportion.
Okay, so what's the general formula? This is
Okay.
direct.
Okay.
What's the inverse? Y equals to?
X.
No.
It's
Kelly,
square.
can you remember? What's the general formula for inverse proportion? So if this question is asking for inverse instead, it will be X equals to K over square root H. Can see or not? Okay, just to recap. Yeah, that's what we do together now. Yeah. Okay, so remember to write this where K is a constant. Okay, so now what's the next step? Caitlin, what's the next step? I need to find? Correct. I need to find what is K. Okay, by summing in the values given. So first, Xavier, 49 represents which letter? K or X? I mean H or X?
A.
H. Okay, Sean, 98 represents? Okay, so which letter? X or H? Okay, you see, following the rate, the question say rate is X. So this is X. Then what's the next step? Sub in, right? So become Correct? Can remember or not? Forget everything already, ah? Can remember or not? Can, we submit why? Because we want to find k. Okay, find k already, then so we can rewrite our equation. Yeah.
Pythagoras,
Oh.
we all have the right, like the by Pythagoras theorem.
It will, I would say like no, but if your school is strict, then you have to. Yeah, is your school strict? When using the theorem, you don't have to put, but then when explaining those type of explanation question, right, you need to put Pythagoras because it's worth 1 mark. Can, but if you are using it for like solving question, then most of the time don't need lah. So 98 divided by 49. Okay, then you will know that k is actually 98 over 7, which is 14. Okay, come Mirabel, after I find k, right, what do I need to do? Correct. Okay, after you found k, remember to rewrite your equation again. See? Sorry, wait, correct, right? Yeah. Remember to rewrite your equation again. Because this will be the general formula that you'll be using to find your other values. Can? So first step for proportion question. Yeah, you listen now, it's coming out for your test. Okay, so first, write general formula. Second, sub in values to find k. Third, put k back inside your general formula. Can remember? Standard one. Okay, for inverse and direct. Always standard one. Can? Okay, so after you have this equation ready, take note, this one will be used to find x or h. Can? So now the question says, what is the rate of the water if the height is 29? So, come Sean, what am I finding for this question? X or h?
H.
But I'm given h leh. X, see, what is the rate? Rate is x. Can, so how to find x? Put what inside?
14.
What do I have to put inside? Yeah, which values am I given?
14 square and
H is a H. Yeah, but before that, I want to find x if my height is 29. So what can I put inside? I can put, correct? Yeah, so it's the same thing as saying that when the question is asking you when the height is 29, when h is 29, what is x? So means you just have to sub inside your equation. So x will be 14 square root 29. Okay, then you'll be getting 75.4 cm cubed, 3 SF. Okay, then I will also be telling you where are you getting your marks. So this is answer mark. You get 1 mark from here, and you will get 1 mark from finding k. That's why I say k is very important. It's always the second step after you write the general formula. Can remember or not? Is it coming back? This one you learned before, eh? Okay, so you should be getting 75.4 cm cubed per second. Nice, come back and scale. Good for the both of you. The next question. Yeah.
then
Can I move on? Move on, Sean, you done already? Mirabel? Okay, so now you'll be looking at map and skill, which is tested for some of your paper lah.
Map and scale under anyways.
Huh?
there's a conflict problem.
Yes, you all did it before with teacher Eunice. Map and skill last time. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, map and skill. Just to recap with you all, usually you are given a ratio. Can. So example 1 is to n. This is usually what you will see. 1 will be my length on the map. N is my actual length. So you can imagine, let's say like the country of Thailand. Thailand in reality, I don't know how long lah, but maybe like some km. Yeah, but then in the map, I can only draw a few cm. Correct? I cannot draw like km in the map. So let's say I will draw Thailand as like that. So 1 cm in the map is equivalent to however large Thailand is in reality. Can? So this is the ratio. Yeah, that's how it's done. Okay, so now they tell you that the actual length is actually 3.5 meters. Okay, while the length of the model is 10 cm. So already I know that this is my map. This is my actual. Correct or not? Okay, so this is enough information for me to form my first ratio already. So right here, map dot dot scale. Okay, then follow 10 cm is to 3.5 meters. Okay, then remember your map and scale, right? They want it in 1:n, always. So I need to make sure that my left-hand side is a 1. Correct or not? So I will change this to 1 cm. Hey, Shinmei, what do I need to do?
Right.
Yeah, divide by 10. Okay, take note, please write your units because right now, right, I have cm and meters. If you don't write units, you will not know which conversion to do later. Can? So now, okay, I want to find the area of the actual tank, but I'm given that the map area is 80 cm squared. Okay, so eventually, right, later on, I will get 80 cm squared. Then I need to find how much is that corresponding to the map. I mean what am I saying? Okay, wait, sorry, this one is actual, not scale. Map and actual. Can? Correct or not? Map and actual. Okay, so how can I convert cm and meters to a square? How? Any idea? Helene? Any idea?
Square 1 cm.
Yeah,
And square down.
correct. Okay, so because I know ultimately I want in cm square, to convert, right, I just need to square both sides. So I'll get 1 cm square and 0.35 square meter squared. Okay, so take note, as long as this one is a 1, if you square it, it will still be a 1. Can or not? 1 square is 1 still. Your right side also must square. Can? So meters and I square become meter squared. Okay, one key error I spot, usually students will forget to square 0.35. So they'll put this. Okay, wrong. This square belongs to both this and this. Can? Okay, so now, can I find what is 80 already? Can or not? Mirabel? Need to do what? Times 80. Okay, so 0.35 square times 80. I will get 9.8 meters squared. Can see or not? Any question for this question? Katie and Shimei, which part is the map and actual that you all don't understand? Like which part? Is it this type of question? Not really, Okay, so the base area in the actual scale is actually 9.8 meters square. Can?
It's like when it's two different maps.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I know which one you're talking about. Okay. Later I help you lah. Okay, so the rest of you got any question or not for this one? No, Sean, okay? Okay, question 3. QR is the longest side. Hey, Matthew, longest side means QR is my what? Hypotenuse, okay? So you can draw your right angle triangle. Can? This information is enough for me to draw out my triangle. Okay, the length of PR is 7 cm longer than PQ. Okay, then QR is 1 cm longer than PR. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, so first, we don't know any actual length, correct? So what would you do, Caitlin? Like right now, I only know the comparison. I don't know the length. So how? How can I introduce? Yeah, I can introduce X. Okay, so every time you introduce an algebra, please define it. Let the length of PR be XCM. Okay, so Sean, if PR is X, right, what is my PQ in algebra?
X minus.
Good, X minus 7. Okay, this alone will give you 1 mark. Okay, finding that PQ is X minus 7 will give you 1 mark. And that's why I say, even though you all draw a triangle, right, if your teacher want to be strict, they might not mark your diagram, eh? Okay, so write this out.
PQ equals X and PI equals X plus 7.
Can also. Yeah, you get 1 mark also. Okay, so next one. Can I find QR? Okay, this one I ask Davian. QR in algebra will be what?
QR is 1 longer than P. X plus 1.
Yeah, okay, so this alone will give you another 1 mark. Okay, take note. Okay, wait, I never told you the marks for the previous question. Let me go back for a while. Okay, I'll go back for a while. Okay, your 1 mark for the previous question is at answer mark 1 mark, and this part. When you find that 0.35 square is 0.122, this is also 1 mark. Okay? Knowing where your mark comes from help you to prevent skipping steps. And okay, so now right, look at this question again. What's the next step I can do? To find the area. Area means I ultimately need the length of this and my perpendicular height. Correct. So, what can I use? Anyone can tell me? Aileen, you know how to do with Adrian? How to do? Can I write an equation?
I guess
What would my equation be?
half times X minus 7.
But that one, I don't know the area. Try who can tell me get 1 card? What should I do?
This is the 5th equation.
Yeah, so how to write my equation?
X plus 1 square equals to X square plus X minus 7 square.
Yeah, see? Then you must say, oh, then when I get unknown, no what? You will get a quadratic. Correct or not? Okay, you won't get unknown. So in the exam, please don't give up. Just try. Use what you learn really. They won't test you something that you never learned. Okay? So x square expand 2x plus 1 equals to. Okay, come show how to expand this. X minus 7 square. How to expand?
X minus 49.
49? It's always 2ab. Correct?
Oh yeah.
So how?
Minus
Minus
2x.
2x. Okay, so AB is always A and B. So what is 2AB in this way, in this context? Your A is X, your B is 7. So what is 2AB?
27x.
Yeah, so 27 is?
14x.
Okay. Must remember how to expand. Can? So now B square will just take 7 squared, which is 49. Can? And this one is plus. So you don't have to, even though you take, you don't have to worry about the minus here. Can focus on the letter here, B. Can? Okay, so equals to bring all the x squared to the left side. I'll be left with how many x? Minus x squared. Correct. And then 2x minus 14x I bring over become plus 16. Is it 16? Hold on. X squared plus x squared. Correct leh. This one bring to the left side. Bring 0 minus x squared. 2x plus 14x, 16x. Yeah, correct. Okay, then I got 1, bring over, become 1 minus 49, which is minus 48. 0. Correct? Then I want to get rid of the negative sign, so I'll divide everything by negative. Okay, no more negative sign. Okay, then you all go and revise how to press your calculator to find the two factors. Okay, Sean, you can remember or not? How to find the two factors?
Twelve and 4.
Yeah, so how to write it in this form?
12 plus 4 then x plus 4 then x plus 12.
Nope.
X minus 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so just remember that when your calculator gives you 12, means ultimately I will want the right side to be 0. So I need to bring over, become x minus 12. Can? You see? This whole thing 0, 0, get 0. That's how it works. Can So please remember, you don't put x plus 12. Okay, so this will give me x equals to 12 or x equals to 4. And so your 1 mark is actually at also when you get this. Okay, the quadratic equation. Okay, so now, right, you look at the information again. Can my x be 4? Why no? Because I will get negative. So cannot, reject. Okay, so you check again. 12. 12 minus 7, I will get positive. 12 plus 1, positive, positive. Okay, so can. X equals to 12 can. This one another 1 mark. Okay, then now I know that PR, I can find the individual length. PR is 12, so PQ will be X minus 7, which is 12 minus 7. 5. Then the area will be half times 12 times 5. Okay, another 1 mark here. 6 marks, this question. Yeah, that's why I don't leave blank, because you see, simply writing the algebraic expression will give you 2 marks really. Okay, so yeah. No need to explain area, right? You all know, right? Half times base times height. Can, right? Okay, base times height. So the answer is 30. Sound okay? Got any question? The earlier part you managed to write down, or you need me to go back? Can write down. Can try the next question first. The rest of you try question 3 first. Question 4. Yeah, I will encourage you all to sketch out your quadrilateral. Okay. Now this is testing on your similarity. Okay, so quadrilateral means any four-sided figure. Can be trapezium, parallelogram, rectangles, rhombus. Okay I'm just gonna sketch out a rectangle. Because the question never say. Okay, make sure they look somewhat similar. Oh, by the way, your lettering is very important. Make sure you follow the order, especially for similarity and congruency. Can? Okay, make sure the long side is at the long side, short side is at the short side. EF is 8.12, EH is 8.4, AD is 6 point, wait, AD is 6.72, then CD is 5. That means I need to swap already. Wait, hold on. Because that means it will look like this. It's a standing rectangle. And make sure your ABCD is slightly smaller than your EFGH. And somewhat like this lah. Okay, then they want you to find the scale factor to transform this to this. Okay, this one important. Why leh? Why?
This one double CM what?
Yeah. But they're different size.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so first this question important because they tell you the scale factor to transform this to this. So to help you, you can draw this arrow. Because your answer for this and this will be entirely different. So take note of the direction. From this to this means big become small. Okay, so what will be the scale factor? I will take what over what? My scale factor will be?
8.4 over 6.72.
Nope.
Good night.
It's the opposite.
Okay,
Yeah.
6.72 over 8.4.
Yeah. So 0.8. You can think of this as like a reduction. Can see 0.8 is reduction, right? Yeah, so if you go and do 8.4 divide by 6.72, you can see that you end up with 11.6. Correct or not? Then you should be getting this already, the other direction. Okay, so that's if the question asks you to transform ABCD to EFGH. Okay, take note, this one important. Look at the direction. And big becomes small, check your answer again. 0.8 is a reduction. Why? What happened? Okay, okay. Okay, so your 1 mark is over here. Okay, then part
Oh, it's always
B.
be 36.
I'm going through with you I never let you do yourself, you know. But step 2, you must do yourself. Okay, so this is like a little revision already. The answer for B, what's your answer?
You guys really.
12.7.
Oh, good. Good job, good job. Did they say must put in 5 SF?
Put 3 as
Okay, so this one is actually not SF because it's exact. Yeah, so take note, you will lose 1 mark. Okay, take note, take note. Okay, so I'm gonna go through a bit. So part B, did anyone attempt already?
It's the scale
Attempt
factor
already?
always be 1.
Scale factor always be 1. What do you mean by that?
One of them must always be 1.
No, scale factor is like that what? Oh, right. What do you mean always be 1? You mean map and scale, is it?
So put it is like 5 over 4.
5 over 4. How do you get 5? Oh, wait. How do you get 4?
I put EH and AD as ratios.
EH and AD.
I put in calculator it. Put the ratio as EH is 5, then AD is 4.
EH is 5, AD is 4.
Yeah.
But how you know it's 5 and 4 though?
Just put it in the fraction.
8.4 divided by 6.72. Oh, that's what you mean. Okay, can. Okay, so you want to find AB. AB using the scale factor, you will get 8.12 EF. You know how to find AB? I know AB is corresponding to EF. So I already know the scale factor. How to find AB?
Eight point 12 divided by 0.8.
No times 0.8. Because that's a scale factor. I rarely divide. Okay, it's always seeing how like what's the length after I reduce the size. Can so AB is 6.496 Hg. Okay, come maybe we try how to find Hg. Usually it's 8.121. Hold on. Hg. This part. Alright, 5. Oh, because the question never says rectangle. Correct. So it can be any shape. See, this one can be a trapezium. Yeah, okay. So, but then you know that the side corresponding to HG is which one? Come, Mirabel, which one? CD. CD, ah. So how to find the length of CD? It's already given. 5. So how to find HG? Correct. Okay, 5 times 0.8. But it's 5, no, not times. 5 divided by 0.8. Like that. 6.25. Okay, not times. Because, okay, how to know when is times, when is divide? You look at this question. I am finding AB, so I'm borrowing this trapezium to go from here to here, which is aligning with my arrow. Can see? So I will follow times. But this question is asking for HG, so I'm going from here to here, opposite direction. So I will divide the scale factor. Can see? Can understand? Yeah, so you must see, am I reducing or am I expanding? Can the scale factor that you found is just a number. Can to find the corresponding length, you need to check whether you are expanding or reducing. Okay, so HG will be opposite direction, so I divide. I'll get 6.25. Can so this one is also another 1 mark. And so to find the sum of AB plus HG, add them together. Okay, and you realize, right, this is not 5SF. This is exact. So leave your answer in exact. Okay, then you add together. 3SF and 5SF is usually if like you have a lot of decimals. Can? So your answer is 12.746. Okay, don't leave in 3SF. This one is exact. Any question?
3SM cause like
Mm,
the numbers don't keep going.
correct. Because if you put 3SF, then it's like throwing away some of the numbers really. So it's not accurate anymore. Can? I would say, honestly, right, up to 5 values is still exact. 3SF, 5SF is only if like you really have the whole calculator screen on numbers. Can. Otherwise it's exact. You scared, then you put in fraction also can. Can? Okay, so can I move on? I see some of you doing question 5 already. You all can do first. Question 5 is okay. Yeah, similar to your question. Very similar to your question 3. You go and find your A, B, B, C, and AC. Form your equation first. Very, very similar to question 3.
How is anyone supposed to do 350?
Huh?
Is it oh shit?
How to do this? This one right angle ma. Correct.
Yeah.
Then you know all the length already. So what did we do in question 3?
Trigonometry.
Pythagoras.
Oh.
Oh. So this is square of this equals to square of this plus square of this. Form an equation. Then you will get a quadratic. Then you find your x values. Yeah.
Angle is still okay.
Which angle ah? You're looking for. Well, you don't need angle what?
It's the opposite and adjacent. Which question?
Since the opposite and adjacent do not look the same, she concluded that the three sides. Oh, okay. So for this one, it doesn't matter because they're not asking you to find the angle, correct? So she said opposite and adjacent is technically either this or this, but doesn't matter lah. For this, you just need to prove that the length of you need to find the length of this, and this first. Then use Pythagoras to check whether, because remember Pythagoras don't matter whether is it adjacent or opposite. Correct? This question calls it opposite adjacent is to let you know that she's referring to this and this. Okay, they can swap for Pythagoras. Okay, anyone found x already? Matthew? Yeah, good. Okay, so remember to reject your -3 because
Okay.
length cannot be negative. Okay, so you found AB already? 12, good. BC? AC? Yeah, good. Okay, so I'm gonna skip. So AB, you will get 12, BC, you will get 5, and AC, you will get 13. Can, so how to explain that she is wrong or correct? What do you think? Is she wrong or correct? Wrong, right? Because you use Pythagoras to prove. AC is by right my longest side. So if she is correct, means my AC square will be equals to this square plus this square. Alright. So remember to prove you have to find left and right. Find your AC square first, and then the sum of the adjacent and opposite side. Okay, then you can see that since my left and right are equal, so it is actually a right angled triangle. So you explain like since AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. The keyword here is by converse of Pythagoras theorem. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, and Sally is wrong. Because her hypothesis is that this ABC is not a right angled triangle, but we found that it's actually a right angle, so she is wrong.
BC3, like don't you reject the negative?
BC3 because oh wait, BC is 3. BC is 5 because your
I got is 3 and -5. Like
35.
-5.
Oh.
Do I reject like anything?
Maybe you're careless. You got careless instead. Yeah, it's a quadratic this one. X squared minus 2x minus 15. Is it? Check again. I think your sign. Tell us Yeah. Okay, so should be getting x equals to 5 or x equals to -3. Then you reject. Okay, part B. It is given further that AD is 20. So this thing is 20. By finding tangent angle ADB, hence find angle ADB. Oh, this one is testing on trigo already. Okay, so ADB will be over here. Okay, so that means tangent angle ADB will be equals to O over A, correct or not? So my O is this, and then my A will be BD. Do I know BD? Yeah, I don't know yet. Okay, so BD. This is my A. Okay, so means I have to find BD, right? So go and find the BD. Can you find BD? Can you find BD or not? Can, right? Because I got AD is 20. AB also, I already found what is X just now. So X plus 7 is 12. This is 12. Okay, so my ratio will be BD equals to BD is my this part. So I need to take 20 square. Use your Pythagoras. 20 square equals to 12 square plus BD square. So BD will be square root 20 square minus 12 square, which you will get 16. Okay, so your 1 mark is finding BD. And then your another 1 mark also comes when you use Pythagoras. Okay? So after you found BD, you can write your equation already. I mean your fraction. So 12 over 60. And because tangent is always opposite over adjacent. Can? Yeah. So now you can find ADB. Use your tangent inverse. Then you will get 36.9. This time your calculator will show you a long string of number. So you put it 1 dp. Okay, take note for degrees is usually 1 dp. Can? Can or not? Yeah, otherwise it's 3SF. Money 2 dp. Okay, then for part A, final answer you can put 5, 12, 13 cm. Okay, again 6 marks this question. You all can try question 6. Question 6 is considered the harder type of proportion question. Okay, you all can try. Go through before already. Yeah, we go through before already.
We just the first,
Part B? This?
and then so just to.
Oh, before that, we need to find BD. So over here also.
So I write that.
You can write that first, yeah. Because okay, by the train following your train of thoughts, by right, this one comes first. But then you realize midway you need the length of BD. That's why I went to find BD. Can? Yeah, so technically if you follow the question, this should be your first step. Then maybe this one will be like something you write at the side. But it's worth 2 marks lah. So don't write in pencil. Okay, follow the question first. To know what to find. Okay, so question 6. Can you remember or not? We see this type of question before. When a particular value of x double. Can you remember? You all remember seeing this? Remember? Do you remember this type of question? Like this question 6. Remember or not? Can, right? Yeah, can remember, right? Okay, I wait for a while, then I move on. Okay lah, since we left a few minutes, I let y'all choose which question you want me to go through. Y'all see which one will be helpful. Want me to go through question 6?
Yeah.
Question 6, right? Huh? What do you mean? Okay, I go through. Okay, question 6. Y is proportional to the cube of x. So usually if the question never say is it direct or inverse, right? We will assume this is direct. This is like, how to say, it's like 90% true. And usually, if question never say, then you assume it's direct. Okay, so cube of x. So that means y equals to kx cube. Okay, where k is a constant. And so next one, you say for a particular value of x, y equals to 15. So we can already put here as 15 equals to k. Okay lah, before that, to follow our way of teaching last time, right? So for a particular value of x. So can you remember or not? A particular value of x, right, just mean a random value of x. So I will name this which one? X what? Correct? Can you remember? Particular value means I only want a random value of x. So I let this random value of x be x1. And so this x1 is not just like all the values, it's just one particular value. Okay, for this one particular value of x1, my y is a 15. So this is specific to this case only. So that's why I write. Because usually, remember, question will give you what? The values of x and y. So you can take this as like a value of x. Can? So x1 is just a random value. Can? So this will be my equation. Sorry, it's cube, not squared. Okay, so again, remember the third step in a proportion question is to, the second step is to always find my k. Correct? So 15 divided by x1 cube. Okay, this is my value of k. And take note that since x1 is just a constant, a random value, my entire k will also be a random constant. Can understand? Okay, this is not algebra. This is different from my x. This is a value of x. And only for this value of x, then my y is a 15. Can? So not all y is 15. Okay, so now that you found your k, you rewrite your general equation. Anyone lost at this point? Can follow or not? I only putting back the number of k back into my general formula. So this is 1 mark. Can? So now the question say when this particular value of x doubles its value. So if previously my x is a x1, after it doubles, it will become what? What is double? Xavier, what is double?
Times 2
Yeah, so become what? 2?
x1.
Yes. Okay, so now I got new x. I will also have new y. So just go and find your new y. Put inside your x1 entirely will be replaced by 2x1. Okay, so 2x1 cube. 2x1 cube. Wait. This one is x1. Wait, sorry. This one don't replace. Because, right, they only say x equals to 2x1. This is already x1. Treat this as a number. It's already in x1. Can? So you only need to change this part. Because only this is your x. Remember, this one is a value. value don't need to change value anymore. I'm changing all my unknown x to a new value. Okay, so this is what you will get after you sub in. Okay, then you realize that x1 after I expand, I will get x1 cubed and times 8x1 cubed. Correct? Then I can cancel. I'm left with 15 times 8, 120. Another 1 mark. Any questions so far? Lost or not? Sean, okay? Here. Okay, so now I got my new y. I can find my percentage increase. Chinmei, how to find percentage increase? This is my new value. Increase? How to find the increase? New?
Over new.
Nope.
Over old.
Yes, but they want increase leh. So it will be new minus old. You want the increase, the specific increase. Okay? If you put new over old if the question asks you what is the fraction of the new value. Okay? So new over old. What is my old? 15. Can see or not? Previously question tell you y is a 15. So this is my old value. Oh, times 100%.
What the answer is how much?
700.
Okay.
Okay, A1. And so remember, percentage increase, always take the increase over old times 100%. Can? If you want, you can write out this is new minus old over old times 100%. Decrease also same thing, new minus old over old. Then another thing we learned is that change will have sign. If the question asks for increase, then you don't need to put sign because the direction is already indicated. Okay? Yeah, if not, the rest of the question I let you try as homework.
Right.
Then set 2 also homework can, because I want to go through next week. Yeah. No lah, not a lot lah.
That's a
You can think of it as like a revision for your WA. Yeah, go and study your past topics. Okay? Set 1, set A. I mean set 1, set 2. This one, I will send the answer sheet, but it's optional. Okay? Because you all should be focusing on your WA revision right now. First. Okay?
Okay, just go.
Can.
Bye.
Chinmei and Katie, you all got question to ask me, right? Okay.